choose to ignore weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. It was a quiet day across. A severe thunderstorm was located near Brookville, or 12 miles northeast of Annapolis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. You can expect 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salina, Lindsborg, Marquette, Little River, Assyria, Gypsum, Geneseo, Brookville, Smolin, Wyndham, New Cambria, Phelan, Glendale, Frederick, Salina Airport, Roxbury, Bridgeport, and Kip. The National Weather Service. Thunderstorm warning for southern McPherson County, northeastern Reno County, Harvey County, central Rice County, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm outflow boundary was located over inland, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, Newton, McPherson, Lyons, Heston, South Hutchinson, Sterling, Halstead, Northern Newton, Mallory, Sedgwick, Eamon, Brewer, Nickerson, Burton, Galva, Kenton, Little River, Arlington, and Partridge. Severe thunderstorm watch number 39. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County until midnight. At 10:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Carlton, or 13 miles north of Canton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Severe winds will be possible ahead of any rainfall associated with the storm. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsborough, Marion, Peabody, Florence, Gossel, Burns, Lincolnville, Ramona, Lehigh, Tampa, Durham, Lost Springs, Marion Lake, and Gilson. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McPherson.